sklearn, base, cluster mixin. Description. The cluster mixin is a base class for clustering estimators in scikit-learn. It defines methods for fitting and predicting cluster labels, as well as methods for accessing the cluster centers or other cluster-related information. Inputs. X. This is the input data that you want to cluster. It can be a 2D array or a sparse matrix. Outputs. Labels. The cluster labels for each data point in the input dataset X. Steps. Fit. This method fits the clustering model to the input data X. It learns the underlying cluster structure from the data. Predict. This method predicts the cluster labels for new data points that were not used during the fitting process. Metrics. Silhouette score. This metric measures how similar an object is to its own cluster compared to other clusters. A higher score indicates a better clustering. Kalinske-Haraba's index. This metric measures the ratio of between cluster variance to within cluster variance. A higher score indicates a better clustering. Davies-Bouldin index. This metric measures the ratio of within cluster distances to between cluster distances. A lower score indicates a better clustering. Visualization plots. Scatter plot. This plot helps visualize the clusters in 2D or 3D space, allowing you to visually assess the quality of the clustering. Dendrogram. A dendrogram is a tree-like diagram that shows the hierarchical relationships between clusters. Fine-tune parameters. N clusters. This parameter specifies the number of clusters to be formed. Random state. This parameter controls the randomness in the clustering algorithm. Setting it to a fixed value ensures reproducible results. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. Choosing the right number of clusters. K. Determining the optimal number of clusters is a crucial step in clustering. Sample use case. You might have data where you are unsure of the ideal number of clusters for your application. Fixes. Elbow method. Plot the inertia sum of squared distances to the cluster center for different values of K. Look for an elbow point where the inertia decreases sharply. Silhouette analysis. Calculate the silhouette score for different values of K. The optimal K is the one that produces the highest silhouette score. Challenge 2. Dealing with outliers. Outliers can significantly affect the clustering results. Sample use case. You have data with some unusual data points that might be distant from any cluster center. Fixes. Preprocessing. Remove or handle outliers before fitting the clustering model. This could involve using outlier detection techniques or feature scaling methods. Robust clustering algorithms. Explore robust clustering algorithms that are less sensitive to outliers, such as K-medoids. Challenge 3. Handling high-dimensional data. Clustering high-dimensional data can be challenging. Sample use case. Your data has a large number of features. Fixes. Dimensionality reduction. Apply techniques like PCA or T-SNE to reduce the dimensionality of data before clustering. Feature selection. Select the most relevant features for clustering, potentially improving the results. Subspace clustering. Consider methods that search for clusters in different subspaces of the data.